Good morning, Year 5. For science today, we're going to be focusing on the planets of the solar system. So the learning intention is to name and describe features of the planets. Ideas about the planets. Can you remember all the names of the planets? Do you know the order of the planets? If you can, pause this video, write them down in your book now. Okay, let's look at some key vocab that we're going to be using for today. We've got the Sun, star, planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, orbit, rotate, axis, sphere, and spherical. Now, lots of those are planets, which rotate, also known as orbit, which means to go around something, go around the Sun, which is the center of the solar system. Axis is an invisible line that planets spin on. Spherical and sphere, we used these words in our last science lesson where we were talking about the shape of the planets, whether the planets or whether the Earth was flat or spherical. You should have come to the conclusion that it was spherical. Okay, so those are all our key words. If you're unsure of what any of them mean, you can always Google their meaning. Okay, so today, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be making a fact file for each of the planets. I've got a few ideas on here, how you might want to set it out on the piece of paper or even on your computer. You choose how you would like to do it. I have attached this template here. If you were desperate, I'd prefer it if you came up with your own. It was quite creative, but if you need to, you could use this template here and to fill it in. Now, I know we've done similar things before as we had space as our topic for STEM week. So it might be a recap, but these are things that we need to know for the next few lessons for our topic in science. Okay, so those are some ideas how you might want to do your fact files. Now, you've got two choices, or you can do both if you would like to. You can either watch this video here. Got lots of information about each of the planets in the solar system. You can also click on this link here. Let me show you what you do if you click on this link. Okay, if you click on that link, it should take you to this page here. Ducksters, we're all familiar with this. Okay, and you can scroll down, you can read some facts about the solar system if you want to focus on one particular planet. Click on it, for example, Mercury. Now I've got loads of facts there. Now, when you're doing your fact file, you could either bullet point key bits of information, or you can write sentences too. If you did both, that would be fantastic. Let's go back onto the presentation. Okay, also, as you're watching this, you can make notes for each of the planets. I'm not going to play it now, you can play it. This is on Google Slides in Google Classroom. Once you have completed your fact file, I would then like you to come up with your own phrase to help you remember the order of the planets, their distance from the Sun. So this is the order. It goes Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus. Now, one that somebody has created here, my very easy method just seems no use. Now, what I'd like you to do is like this in this picture, is put M for Mercury, V for Venus, and so on all the way down there, and see if you can come up with your own little phrase to help you remember. My phrase in primary school was my very easy method just speeds up naming planets. Now that one doesn't work anymore because planets at the end, P, the P was for Pluto. That's no longer recognized as one of the planets within the solar system. So only do up to N. I'm very interested to see what phrases you can come up with. Okay. Now, if you would like a challenge task for this lesson, Can you answer any of these 8 questions for me? If you have done lots of research, then you should be able to answer these questions. And if you're feeling creative as well and want an more work to do, you can design your own planet. So draw it, colour it, even paint it, you choose, and then tell me facts about it. Now, this is made up. You choose what facts you think would apply to your planet. Okay? That's your science lesson. I hope you enjoyed doing it.